Welcome back, everybody,
to another episode of Tying Gig Builds. This week, we're gonna do a nice short and sweet Christmas tree.
We have a lot going on for the holidays, so we're doing something real short and sweet and to the point for you here. Builds. This is all we really need here. We're gonna make a little Christmas tree. We're gonna just chop the chunks, big to small, and then stack them up like a Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. Well, everyone, that's how you make a Christmas tree in less than a minute. Glue time! Easy build for you. Came out pretty sweet looking, actually. We love how white it looks, and it looks sweet in the living room. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We really appreciate the support. It's gonna be a big year coming up, so.
That's right, 2021, we got a bunch of plans, so stay tuned.
XRP.
Have you guys ever heard about cryptocurrency?
If you have not yet invested in cryptocurrency, check it out. All of us, you went down to 80 bucks. Sean bounced it. I hope this hits.